This is Affinity Universe. Today, we're excited to introduce the picture book, Adventure in the Mystical Prayer Valley by author Sunju Park. The story follows Seoa and Hadong, who begin their journey after reading a letter from their aunt. Their destination is Grace Hill, but to get there, they must first pass through the mystical Prayer Valley. The first stop is the narrow gate of the valley. The door doesn't budge, no matter how hard they push. Just then, a small bird named Alos appears and offers to help. Seoa and Hadong doubt that such a tiny bird could really help them, but Alos explains that only those who humble themselves like little children can enter. When they crouch down, the gate opens with a burst of radiant light. As they step through, a shining fragment falls from the sky, the Alpha Key piece that will allow them to enter Grace Hill. Next, they arrive at the rough stream. Alice warns them to beware of the boastful poison frog. Just as they begin to cross the stepping stones, a frog appears. He claims Grace Hill is empty and promises a faster, more exciting destination. Hadong is tempted by the offer, but Seoa quickly realizes he is the poison frog and kicks him away. Once across the stream, they receive another glowing piece, the Omega Key piece. Although they can't yet see the way to Grace Hill, Alos tells them only those who believe and pray with faith can find the path. Suddenly, Hadong floats up with many balloons, while Seoa is given only one balloon one that's slowly deflating. Will Seoa be able to reach Grace Hill? Find out more in Adventure in the Mystical Prayer Valley, now available on major global ebook platforms. And remember, you too can take classes at Affinity Universe and create your own picture book.